Hello, hello everyone. If you can hear me, type one in the comments section. If you can hear me, type one in the chat box. If you can hear me, type one in the comments section. I believe you can all hear me. Hello everyone. Can you all hear me? All right, welcome. I believe you can all see my screen. If you can see my screen, type two if you can see my screen. If you can see my screen, type two. Can you all hear me clearly and you can see my screen? What can you see on my screen? Type what you can see on my screen. Maybe the first two words you can see on my screen. You can type the first two words you can see on my screen. So I will know you guys can hear me clearly and you can also see my screen. Oh, good one. All right. We only have like 40 minutes. I'm happy to have you all here. I believe you already know my name is Idowu Oluwaseyipo, popularly known as IOP, and I'm going to be your tutor for today. And if you're a beginner, I believe you've gone through the basics of Forex, which is the complete beginner video I shared with you in the group. If you are yet to go through those videos, it's advisable, you know, you go back after this class, you go back and rewatch those videos. It's very important. You know, there are stages to success in the Forex market. The basic is very important, which is like the foundation, right? When you're now done with the basic, you move to the mastery. When you're done with the mastery, that's when you now need a strategy to trade. You understand? So when you now have a strategy, all you just need to do is to either fund your account with your capital or you get a funded account. Are you getting my point now? So those are the four stages, right? Watching the beginner videos which I shared with you, watching the mastery video which you will get to get access to, then the SB Mamove strategy, which is the strategy I used to trade and the strategy my students used to trade. Then the last one, which is to fund your trading account, and what's it called? Or get a funded account, which is the easiest. With little capital, you can get a funded account. So those are the four stages. With those four stages, you are good to go. Within 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, you should be able to be through with all those three to four stages. And after that, you start trading and start making your money from the market. I'm happy to have you all here. You already know my name is Ido Urashi Paul. So we're about to start now. All right. I don't want to take too much of your time. I want you to get to know me better first before we go into the main training for today. For pro traders, those who have little knowledge about the Forex market, I will be sharing my screen after this training. In the middle of the training, I'm going to share my screen where we are going to analyze the market together so you can picture and see how the market really move, how the market maker move the market, how traders trade in the market, and the opportunities for you to make a lot of money in the market. Like today, the gold we traded, I and my student traded today. We made a lot of money. Some of my students made close to £2,000, $2,000, and the likes. So we were able to picture that move since the weekend. You know, in the weekend we've been able to know that so this is what will happen next. So that is what I'm going to be sharing with you today. So you too, you will be able to picture the next move that the market will move. As a forex trader, for you to be profitable, You must be able to see the future of the market. If you are able to see the future of the market, you're automatically part of the 3% of the people that are controlling the forex market. You understand why the 97% lose? So you must be able to see the future before the market gets there. You understand? So those are all the things I'm going to be sharing with you. But before that, I want you to get to understand and know me better. So as time goes on, you'll get to know who is IOP. So now discover how to make 5,000 monthly trading forex with IOP. I'm going to be sharing with you the procedure on how you can start making money in the forex market. So now let's go there. I need you to do something very important for me right now. If you are in anywhere that is noisy, maybe you are with your kids or you are in a noisy place, I would advise you to leave that place and go to a quiet place. You only need 40 minutes, maximum 40 minutes for this training. So this is an opportunity that will change your life. And if you misuse this opportunity, you may not have this opportunity to, to be in this class with me again. So I would advise you to go to a quiet place. So who is this program for? This program is for you if you know that the internet is here to stay. If you know that this internet we are talking about is here to stay, then this program is for you. If you want to take full advantage of the online space and start making money from the market, there are lots of content creators that are making money from the market. There are lots of affiliate marketers, there are a lot of forex traders, a lot of people are making money online, and that is where the real gold is now. So if you are also working a 9 to 5 job or you are an entrepreneur, but you are looking for an extra way to earn money in the forex market or in any online business, then this program is for you. In the next 30 minutes, I will show you how to scale your game and leave the rat race, and leave the environment you are and start making money. I will also show you how to start making consistent money monthly from the forex market and other financial markets like the crypto market, which is the cryptocurrency market, the stock market, the bond market, the indices market, the hedge funds, and other financial markets. So, who is IOP? And how did I went from almost committing suicide in 2017 to making more than $500,000 in 6 years of trading forex? So this is me, IOP, and I'm the CEO and founder of Forex SB Academy. Right? I also have other companies, the likes of IOP Foundation in Africa. I own a foundation there. I also have another company also in Nigeria and also here presently. Last year, we opened our branch here in the UK, which is Prafon Investment Limited. What we do is we invest in properties, we get investors, and we buy properties, we build properties, and we sell. We also retain some and put people into it and get rentals from it. So there are a lot of things you can learn from us in future because we'll be teaching you how to make money from the forex market and also how to divert it into real estate investments, agribusiness and the likes. If you can feed the market, you can shelter. If you can feed the world, you can shelter the world. Then you'll be able to make money till you die. You'll be able to, create a generational wealth for your family, for your kids, and unborn kids to come. And the first stage is the forex market, which will help you and enhance you to make a lot of money, on your own without relying on anyone. So that is that. So this was me a few years back. You can see this was when I started after my NYC in a just a room. This was where I started forex. It was very hard then. I was doing the research on my own, checking the internet, going to YouTube, watching a lot of videos. It took me a lot of time, but it wasn't easy. But I keep on believing. I had hope. I keep on working hard. I had a desire. I did a lot of research. I was consistent. I keep on because I know where I'm coming from and I know where I want to be. So it wasn't easy. I wasn't born with silver spoon, so I had to create that silver spoon for myself, so my kids and my unborn kids will be able to, live with a silver spoon. So this was me in I think 2018, 2019. These are some of the cars I was able to acquire. All those things are liability, but you need it in life. Your phone is a liability, is asset for a lot of people. Like people like me, I'm a student. A phone is an asset because it generates money for us. Some people also their cars is asset for them, but because it generates money for them. Whereas some people their cars is liability. So these are liability and they are also asset depending on what you use it for. So this was me. That was my first car. That was my second car, Sienna. My first car was Golf 2. I don't think I have the picture here. So then another ones I was able to buy a Toyota and also this other one. So fast forward, this was 2022 before I left, before I relocated from Nigeria to the United Kingdom. And this was me. You can see how fresh I am. You can't compare that with this. You can see the before and the after. So money is good. Money change life. Money beautify the face and the lights. So that is me. So this was when 2023 March when I relocated to the United Kingdom. I decided to leave the country I was born. I decided to relocate to United Kingdom in order to run from insecurity in the country I came from, which is Nigeria. And you can see this was my first time in London in 2023. Then 2 weeks to 3 weeks after, I was able to buy my first car in the UK. Then this was my second car in the UK. It has been good for me. The Forex has really changed a lot of things in my life. I've been able to travel to a lot of countries. These are few of the countries I've been to. I've been to Norway, Oslo, which is the capital of Norway. I've been to France, which is Paris, which is the capital of France. I love to travel to their capitals because I believe in visiting those capitals in order to see the wealth in all those countries. And majority of the time, those capitals have more wealthy people. I always like to mingle with the wealthy ones. If you want to be among the 3%, you have to work hard in order to go close to the 3%. And those are all the things I'm going to teach you. If you are enjoying this introduction, kindly type enjoy. Kindly type enjoy before we move to the main training. I want you guys to get to understand and know me better before we move to the main training. If you are enjoying this, type enjoy. Type enjoy. Type enjoy. Yes. All right. All right. After this, you guys are also going to introduce yourself before we now move to the main training. This is just introduction. So this was me in France. This was me in Dublin. I also visited Dublin last year, Ireland. It was a beautiful city. It was a beautiful town. Their transport system is top notch. The environment, the weather is also okay, but a bit cold, you know. So this was me in Greece. I also visited Greece around, I think, around September, November. I went to Athens. It's also a nice place, but I don't really like the feel. Maybe when I visit I think it's Santorini or so. I think that place is more beautiful than Athens. But Athens is their capital. It's a nice place also, and this is Acropolis. Yeah, it's one of their ancient building. So it's a nice place also. This is one of my favorite countries so far. Madrid, Spain, very beautiful. I visited one wealthy street. That place is so beautiful. It's like a small heaven on earth, you know. So those are all the places you need to visit. You need to see in this life, money is very important. Don't let anybody tell you money is the root of all evil. It's a lie. Lack of money is the root of all evil. When you don't have money, that's when you start thinking of bad thing to do to people. But when you have money, you will look for a way to help a lot of people. And you get my point? When you have a lot of money, you will look for a way to help a lot of people because money will never be your problem again. So that's why I'm here to train you, encourage you, so you can start making money. Money is just digits. It's just GDs. Some people created it. In the olden days, cowrie, coin and the like. Some people do trade by barter. They exchange cow for grains, for rice and the likes. So they are just is nothing. The main money is the value you have. So if you are valuable, a lot of people will be ready to partner with you. the likes of the celebrities, all those top celebrities in abroad, America, in your country, everywhere, is because they've created value for themselves. They can sing or they can act. That's why people want to see them. So you too, if you can't sing, you can't act, you should be able to create a value for yourself. And Forex is one of the easiest value you can get for yourself. But you need to go through the beginner stage, the mastery stage, the strategy, which is the SB Mamove strategy, and also you need to get a funded account if you don't have a big account capital to fund your account. So these are the value you create for yourself, and this value is what will now give you that thing called money. You know, so that is it. I also visited Switzerland. I don't know why that one is not showing here. I also visited Switzerland. That one is not showing here. I don't know why, but no problem. I don't know why that one is not showing here. So let's continue. So what is Forex? But before that, I would like you guys to introduce yourself, your country, your name, and why you are here. Kindly type it in the comment section. Your country, your name, and the reason why you are here. Type it in the comment section. Type it in the comment section. Type it in the comment section. Your country, your name, do type it in the comment section. And the reason why you are here. All right. I've seen a lot of people here. Confirmed Samuel, Jackson, Arnold, Olumighty, Sammy, Kim, Michelo, and the likes. I'm happy to have you all here. Welcome, welcome. Alsha, Tatenda, World Gate, BM Keys, Peter Nwansa, Unto Bura, Jeff, Ushina. I've seen you guys. Welcome, welcome. Ogun Bure, Sitati, Adwen. I'm happy to have you all here. So let's move into the main thing, the reason why we are here. So what is Forex and what is Forex trading? Forex is simply exchange of foreign currencies for another. You exchange one currency for another. That is just Forex. You can also say exchange of one currency for another, which I just explained. So, for example, let's assume you are in Europe. Maybe you are in France, Germany, Greece, Italy, anywhere, and you want to go to the United States. If you fly with your euro from France and you land at USA airport, maybe any airport in USA, before you can enter, you have to convert your euro to United States dollar. Because in United States, what they spend there is dollar. Whereas in Europe, France, Germany, what they spend there is euro. Euro. Same thing as the country you are. Maybe you are in Kenya, you are in South Africa, you are in Togo, you are in Congo, you are in Nigeria, anywhere you have your own currency. You understand? So when you get to the United States, you need to go to the counter, the exchange booth. You give them your euro, they will convert it to dollar. That person that did the transaction will get little share from it. The person just traded foreign currency, which is Forex. Same as you just traded Forex. You understand? So we have buyers and sellers in the market. We have the physical market and we have the online market. Before in the olden days, there is what they call brokers. We have brokers that will call you that do you want to buy that currency at that point? If you say yes, they will help you. You already have your money with them. They will help you buy it. When the thing is in profit, you can call them again and say, yeah, help me sell it now. That's how they do it in the olden days. You call those brokers, they help you buy and they help you sell, they help you sell, they help you buy. But you can't, then in the olden days, you can't use £10, £20, $10, $100, $1,000 to trade. No, you need like $100,000. So it's for the big men. It's for the big men because if a broker help you trade $10 and you make maybe $1 on it, how much is the percentage of the person? And the person will call you on phone. So they prefer to go with those people that are trading with maybe £1 million, $1 million, $10 million, $100,000. So when they make profit, they get their own percentage, which is their own commission. That's how Forex started then, you know. And Forex has started since the olden days, which is using trade by barter, is also Forex. Forex simply means FOR, foreign, then EX, exchange. So exchange of one currency, which is one foreign currency, with another foreign currency. Simple as ABC. So now more than $6 trillion is being traded every blessed day. The whole world is connected. More than $6 trillion. If you go to the market to buy something, maybe you went to buy rice or you went to buy goats, and you give that person that bought that sells that goods your currency, and the person give you that goods, you've automatically traded in the foreign exchange market, because all markets they are connected, because that person that you bought that goat from maybe has a car that was imported from another country. So every day exchange is going on. People are making money, people are losing money, people are making money everywhere. Your own is to know how to take your own share from the forex market. More than 6 trillion is being traded every blessed day. So you must be able to know how to take advantage. See, what you don't know is bigger than you. You understand what I'm saying now? So you must be able to know when and how to take your own share from this $6 trillion. It's just like a drop of water. It's nothing. It's like a drop of water in an ocean. £3,000. Don't let it look big in front of you. $3,000 is nothing. In front of Elon Musk, is like, I don't even. It's like a drop of water in front of this guy, Elon Musk. You know, those kind of people make like £100,000 and $100,000 every day or every minute. So it's nothing. So don't let $3,000 be look like a big money. Let your subconscious mind see it as nothing. So when you see it as nothing, you get to that level and you start making it. So as time goes on, you start making $30,000. You start making $20,000. You start making $50,000. That's when you become wealthy and you start buying big cars, and it looks like nothing. Money, I've told you that money is just a digit. It's nothing. The value you have is what will give you that money. So if you are more valuable than this 3,000, you will get this 3,000. If you are more valuable than 30,000, you will get $30,000. So your value is what will give you that money. So these are some of the big men. We call them whales in the forex market. The likes of Warren Buffett, the likes of Sogo. Those are the top traders. They are like our mentors. Then, these people. Like Warren Buffett started trading at the age of 12. He started trading stock. I think he's one of the top investors in Coca-Cola. He has a share in Coca-Cola. So these people are really making a lot of money from the forex market. You can see the worth of Warren Buffett. That was some years back, a lot of years back, and that's of Soros. They are friends. So the rich mingle with the rich, while the poor mingle with the poor. So if you want to be rich, try and have rich friends. So you guys can start talking about money. These are some of my students that have made a lot of money. This guy is doing well. Prince Abdul is doing well for himself in the forex market. This was some of his profits he made in naira, which is about $200 then. So you can see he has been making a lot of money. He was one of my students, and this has also some of my students that bought cars. A lot of them are making a lot of money from the forex market. You can see the group, SB Mamove group. I have three groups. I have the premium groups, I have the gold group, and I have the normal group, which is for everyone. So a lot of my students are making a lot of money in my group. They share ideas. We share ideas. We make money together. We, buy things, invest in properties and the likes, which you two are going to get there. So these are also some of my students. Mr. Heike was once my boss in road safety headquarters, because I served my country at road safety headquarters in Abuja, Nigeria. So this is one of my boss, and you can see the logo. You can see this. This is the award I gave him. You can see FSBA, Forex SB Academy. He made a lot of money. He made a lot of money. I had to design an award for him, and I gave him. This is also for one of my students, which I also gave. I gave a lot of my students award during that was before I left Nigeria. I gave a lot of people award. So now at this junction, I want you to know that this program is not for you if you are a lazy person. It's not for lazy people. It's not a Ponzi, and it's not for people that believe in Ponzi. No, it's not a get rich quick scheme. No, and it's not invest one and get 10 tomorrow. This is not Forex. Forex is a skill that when you learn, you master it, you practice it, you have a working strategy, which is my strategy or any other strategy outside there. But it's advisable to go for a strategy that has result that you've seen a lot of results from. So it's not a you need to learn it. When you get the skill, I believe you can hear me. If you can hear me, type 5 in the comment section. So someone said his network is not good. If you can hear me, type 5 in the comment section. If you can hear me, type 5 in the comment section. Type 5, type 5. I can see you, Samuel. Yeah, good. Ushena, yes. Perkins, yes. Oh, good one, good one. So let me continue. So this is for people that believe that hard work pays. When you go through those trainings, I'm telling you, after 1 week, 2 weeks of you going through those trainings, you will see the world in another angle. Like you will see the beauty of the world. Like, can I do this? So this has been here for long and I don't know about it. So when I designed the SB Mamove strategy, it was like heaven, it was like dream come true because I can see the opportunity to make money even while on bed. So you too will be able to do that when you follow everything I'm going to teach. So before I go to this other stage, it's time for me to share my screen with you guys. So it's time for me to share my screen with you guys. Okay, it's time for me to share my screen. So, guys, before we go straight to the point, here, if you are new to Forex, this may be hard for you to understand because you've not gone through the basic of Forex trading video I shared with you. So, if you are new and you've not gone through those videos, I will advise you take your time and watch those basic videos. It's very important because you need to understand all these terms. Like we have two candlestick here. We have the bullish and the bearish candlestick. You should be able to understand all these things. If you don't understand this, there is no way you will make money in the forex market. You understand? All these things I'm pressing, we call this one line. You should be able to understand what that thing is used for. You understand what I'm saying now? You should be able to understand what that is used for. So please, if you've not gone through those training videos I shared with you earlier, please, I will advise you after this training, go through it. It's very important. It's for your own good because you are going to make a lot of money. You are going to make crazy money. You will not even believe it that, oh, am I the one making this kind of money? But for those people who have gone through that and they are here, I'm happy for you. Congratulations. So now I'm going to be sharing with you how to understand the trend of the market. You know, in the forex market, we have three trends. We have three trends. We have the uptrend. Can you see this mark, right? This line, we have uptrend, meaning the market is going up. We have sideways trend, meaning the market is ranging. Then we have downtrend. So now this uptrend, we call it bullish trend. This sideways trend is ranging. The market is ranging. It's fluctuating. Buyers and sellers are fighting around that stage. You understand? Whereas this downtrend, we call it bullish. The bulls, which are the sellers, are the ones winning. So they are fighting the sellers. So the sellers are losing their power, whereas the buyers are losing their power, whereas the sellers are, pushing them down. So there is what they call demand and supply. If you have a lot of demand, like you have people demanding your products, the price will go up. If you have less people demanding your products, the price will go down. You understand? Same thing as currencies. The reason why US dollar is one of the strongest currencies is a superpower. A lot of people travel there, for good life and the likes. Same thing as the United Kingdom, same thing as Switzerland, same thing as Luxembourg, same thing as China and the likes. But there are lots of countries in Africa that their economy is not good. That's why you see that the currency is going down. I think you're getting my point now. So, in the forex markets, you should be able to understand the best currencies to trade. That's why you see that majority of my students and I we trade euro against the United States dollar because there are a lot of volatility. We have a lot of people that are buying it. People are going to UK, going to Europe, going to China. You know, people have money there. They are transacting. They are flying. So money is moving. So you go to where the money is. You go to the main market where the money is. That's why you see that I travel. I prefer to travel to all those cities, the capital of each country, so I can meet. That's where the money is. You understand? So same thing as the forex market. You should know the kind of currencies to trade. The best currency to trade, which I trade, Euro USD. The other currency that I trade, the pair, we call them pair because you have to pair one with two to make it one currency with another to make it a pair, right? Euro USD is good. Great Britain pounds and United States dollar, GBP USD, top notch. Which other one? United States card, top notch. GBP JPY, Japanese yen, which is GBP, Great Britain pounds and Japanese yen, top notch. Gold, top notch. Those metal and pairs are the best to trade. AUD USD Australian dollar with United States dollar top notch, but it's advisable go for Euro USD because Euro there are lots of countries that make up Europe. So you are trading their economy with United States economy. So you should be able to understand that. So we have the bullish market, the sideways and bearish. So in the forex market, you should be able to understand these three things. When you understand these three things, that's when you'll be able to make money in the market. So now, how do you make the money in the market? First thing is to know the trend. You should be able to know the trend of the market. Is this trend going up? Don't forget, I said something in the beginning that you should be able to know the trend of the market. That you picture the future before the future happen. So in the forex market, you only make money either the market is going up or the market is going down. So you either buy when the market is going up or you sell when the market is going down. That's all. That's all. That's why you see a lot of gamblers. They will just press buy because they don't know what they are doing. The market will go into profit. They will be happy after it will go down. They are just gambling. They see this two button, sell and buy. They are just playing with it. That's not how the forex market works. You must be able to understand the economy. You must have a working strategy. That's when you make money. So you need to understand the trend of the market. And how do you do that? First thing, let's go to higher time frame, like 4 hour time frame. I want you to see something. I want you to see something. Let me remove all these ones first. I want you to. This is going to blow your mind. This is going to blow your mind. Now, looking at this market, you will notice that the market is going up. Can you see it's pointing up? It's like a plane is about to take off, right? Now, look at this. Let's look. So you can see here is going up. Here is going sideways. Right? Here is going up. Here is going a bit down. Here is going up. Now here is going down. Right? So assuming when this market was going up here, you place a buy somewhere around there, you would have made a lot of money. You would have made a lot of money. Someone said he cannot hear me. If you can hear me clearly, type 6. Type 6. If you can hear me clearly, type 6. Someone bought around there, they made a lot of money from it. Someone sold around there, they sold and made a lot of money from the market. So you can see this ranging market is not good. Never trade when the market is ranging. Like last week around, I think Wednesday, Thursday, the market ranged. We left the market, you know. So market sold there. So you can see the market is going down. So you only make money when the market is going up or when the market is going down. Anytime from now, this market is going to change trend to downtrend. The way I'm looking at the market now, anytime from now, the market may change to downtrend. But it won't just change to downtrend. There are things you need to look out for to know that this market will change to downtrend. And I'm going to explain one of the things to you now. See, that level is like a strong. I need to go and close my trade. That level is a very strong resistance. Around this level, there's tendency the market may start changing to downtrend around here. And if that happens, we'll have a big fall down. You understand? But the markets can still continue going up. But around this level, you can see those doji, this doji and this other one. So it's like a rejection candlestick. Right? In the mastery course, you will learn all these things. So this thing is speaking to me. Like what I'm saying now is as if the market is talking to me. It's like I'm talking to my wife. So the market is my wife, is talking to me. I can understand the language this market is speaking, because I've gotten that value that allowed me to interpret what this market is saying, what this candlestick is saying, what this green and this red is saying. The new traders here, they will be like, what's this? All these things are just dot, 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 dot. That's why you need that knowledge on how to understand what candlestick is, the language the candlestick is speaking to you, right? So, like here, this thing is speaking to me that anytime from now, this market will sell. More sellers are now entering the market, whereas buyers are leaving the market. And I said something about demand and supply. When there is supply, right, we have more sellers, right? We have more sellers than buyers. So the sellers are now pushing the buyers. So the sellers will be like, oh, I have 1 million products, but just 100 people that want to buy. So they will reduce the price. That's when the market will now start falling. Are you getting the point? That's when the market will now start falling because there is lots of supply but less demand. But when there is demand, you only have 100 products, but you have 10,000 or 1 million people that want to buy that 10,000 products. That's when you now start feeling like a boss. You will inflate the price a bit. That's when the market start going up. Are you getting my point now? So you, as a forex trader, you want to buy low and sell high. But you don't just buy low, you buy and follow the trend as the market is going up. When the market starts going down, you sell and start selling and start following the market down. Whereas those people that lose, they buy when the market is already at the top. If you go and check people trading Bitcoin now, they will start buying around there because, oh, Bitcoin is around 100,000, 90,000. It has gone up. Oh, let me take advantage of it before it gets 150, 120, 200. In the next 2 years, it may not get to that 200. You understand? Whereas some of us have bought it when it was 20,000. We've kept some Bitcoin when it was 20,000. We held it. We bought some other coins. You understand? So around this level now, the market is telling you that a lot of people that bought below, now they are ready to sell in profit. They are ready to sell that trade in profit. And when they start selling, they are removing their money from the market. It will make the price go down. So now you need to understand the trend of the market. Looking at this market now, it's going up, it's trending up. So now let's go back to 1 hour time frame. So now when the market is going up, and you can know the trend of the market using trend line, right? One of the tool we use is trend line, which is this. So you can see that's a break. This is a powerful break of trend line. I took this trade and I made crazy money from this market. Let's assume you placed a buy here and you hold it for just 2 days. You know how much you would have made? A lot of money. You understand? I was able to take this trade and I made money. So look at this market now. Some people, they will be like, oh, the market will not go up. It will not go up. It will just get to somewhere here. But see, since then, see, the market has been going up. So you only buy, sorry, you only buy when the market, you only buy when the market is trending up and sell when the market is trending down. You only buy when the market is trending up. Never trade against the trend. When the market is going up, only buy. Follow the trend. When the market is going down, only sell. Never trade against the trend. I get my point. When the market is good, don't let anybody deceive you that buy low, sell high. The market is high, you now want to buy. The market is low. No, they don't do that. See the trade I took today. I'm going to share it with you. I bought when the market is going up and I made crazy money. A lot of my students made a lot of money. You understand? So let me go to 1 hour time frame. So this was that point where the market changed trend. And you can see since then the market has been going up. Here, I am a student, we made a lot of money from this particular signal. You can see this is a break of trend line. That's a good buy. We made a lot of money. There is another break of trend line somewhere here. We made a lot of money, a lot. There is a break of trend line here. We made a lot of money here. There is a break of trend line somewhere here. Buy. We made a lot of money here. There is a break of trend line here. Only buy, never sell. Don't let the market deceive you. Buy. We made a lot of money here. There is a buy signal here. I made a lot of money. My students made a lot of money here. There is a buy signal here. We made a lot of money here. There is a buy signal somewhere here. I made a lot of money here. My student made a lot of money here. There is a buy signal here. We made a lot of money. The SB Mamove strategy told me and my students to buy somewhere here, whereas the trend line did not tell us to buy. We bought and we made money. Here, the SB Mamove told us to buy. Trend line also told us to buy. We buy. Here, there is a sell signal. Even the SB Mamove told us to sell. But because of the rule that when the market is trending up, never trade against the trend. Assuming you place a sell here, you would have made money, right? Fine. What if you place a sell here? Will you make money? No, the market go against you. What if you place a sell somewhere here? Will you make money? No, the market go against you. Why can't you follow the trend and buy with no stress? No, that's why you see that someone can turn $3 to $50 because the person placed a buy somewhere here and made money straight. The person placed a buy somewhere here, the person made money straight, no drawdown. The person placed a buy here, made money straight, no drawdown. The husband will tell the person to buy and the person bought without stress. Right? This is the market maker did their work here. They remove people's stop loss here. But don't panic because the SB Mamove also tell you to buy again here. You buy, you make crazy money from the market. There are lots of opportunities, but can you see it? There is a buy here, you make money. There is a buy here, make money. Can you see opportunities? People that already understand what Forex is, they will understand what they can see it. It's very clear to them that wow, see a buy signal, make money. This one last week, I made crazy money from this particular trade. This one, there was opportunity. The trend line did not tell us to buy here today, but the SBM move told us to buy somewhere here, and we bought. We made crazy money. Presently, the market is here. We don't want to do anything. We are done making money today, close to $3,000. Some of my students 5,000, some 200, some £60, some £20, some $20, $50, just like that, depending on your capital. Let's assume you that is watching this video now, you are making, let's even make it 1,000 weekly. or 1,000 or 500 weekly times 4 weeks. That's 2,000. Convert it to your currency. You'll be able to pay your wife. You'll be able to buy good things for your wife. Buy your kids what they want, their needs. That property you've been dreaming of buying, the land you've been dreaming of buying, the car you've been dreaming to buy, you'll be able to afford it. You raise money within 3 months, you buy your car, dream car. That business you want to go into. You want to go into that car wash business, that Uber business, give people car to drive and deliver to you. You'll be able to do it. You want to go into import and export, you go into it. You want to go into what's it called? Petrol station business. You raise money, you look for partner, you go into it. But you need knowledge, you need information. Right? This is just few. This is like just 1% of the knowledge you are getting from SB Mamove Strategy and from me, from my mentorship. I believe you are enjoying this. If you are enjoying this, just drop a comment in the comment section. If you are enjoying and you love IOP, you understand, you love what you've learned so far, just drop a comment, any comment in the comment section. If you love IOP and you are enjoying this class, just drop a comment in the comment section. So I'm waiting. So there are opportunities to make crazy money in the Forex market. There are opportunities, but can you see it? Can you see the opportunity? That's the question you should ask yourself. You can do great things. You can buy things. It's just money, right? But do you have the value to generate that money? That is where all these things comes in. You understand? Money is nothing. Don't let anybody tell you money is a root of all evil. It's very hard to make money. No, it's nothing. My mentality changed when I thought of committing suicide, but God helped me. I was able to bounce back. I said, I will never be poor in my life. This experience I experienced, I will never experience it in my life again. And I took the bold step, I took action. I sacrificed my time in order to learn through the process. I feel the pain. I said, this pain I feel, I'm not going to feel it again. And I was able to break the barrier. I break poverty barrier. Bye bye to poverty. And this is your own time also to say bye bye to poverty. You understand? If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. We will soon end this meeting. I think we still have like 10 to 15 minutes to end this meeting. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. If you have any question, yeah, drop it in the comment section. I'm going to introduce SB Mamove, which is the strategy I designed. If you have any question before we continue, this is the last part of this training, then we call it a day. I believe you've enjoyed a lot. If you are beginners, please go to those videos. The beginner video is very important. Your foundation need to be strong. Your foundation need to be strong. If your foundation is not strong, the building above it is nothing. It will fall maximum 2, 3, 5, 10 years. It will fall. But when your foundation is strong, that's why I said go back to that basic. That's where you will learn candlestick. You will learn support and resistance. You will learn how to create your trading account. You will learn how to open your first broker account. You will learn what currency is. You will learn pair. You will learn all those things. Those are the basics of things you need. When you now know all those things, that's you getting the knowledge, which is getting the value. Then you move to the mastery. When you're done with the mastery, then you go to the strategy, which will tell you when to buy and when to sell. All you just need to do with the SB Move strategy, like today, the SB Move strategy told me to buy, and I bought. Let me just share you little of the SB Move strategy. Let me see if I can get it. Let me see if I can put euro. Let me use this. Didn't think I didn't had it here. No problem. As time goes on, I will be having another class soon, so you get to see the SB move strategy. So let's continue. So okay, some people have question. This is my time to change my future. How can I start? Yeah, I'm going to show you how to start. I believe you've gone through the basic first, then the other one is to get the mastery and the SB move strategy. How do you know when the trend wants to change? The power. See, SB move strategy tells you when the trend change. Like, let me go back to this. Let me go back to this. Like this trend line now, just the way I explained earlier, that you can use trend line. One of the two that we use is trend line. Trend line, candlestick. The first one of the two we use is trend line. Let me go to 4 hour time frame. But a lot of beginners they don't know how to use this. That's why I've created the SB Mamove. The SB Mamove strategy makes it very easy. You can see a trend line breakout is a sell, is a buy here, right? One of the two we use is trend line, right? But it's very hard for you to know when the market will change with only trend line. It's very hard for beginner who know nothing about the forex market to know when to buy. That's why the SB move strategy is an indicator strategy that automatically tell you that this market is going to change here. It tells you the market will change here. You understand? So when it tells you when the market will change, you just follow the rule. You just follow the rule and what's it called? You make your money. You understand? You just follow the rule and you make your money. Like here, the market tells you to. It tells you that there is a break of trend line here. You can see. But with the SB move strategy, even without you doing any trend line, it automatically tells you like I'm going to change the trend here. You understand? So let's continue. If you have any other question, you can drop it. Drop it. I don't want to take too much of our time. We'll soon end this meeting now. So now let me introduce SB move strategy to you. SB move strategy is a trend trading strategy. It doesn't care about the noise in the market. It tells you that this market is trending up, then you want to follow it. It tells you that this market is trending down, then you want to follow it. So it tells you that okay, this particular gold is trending up, only buy. So after you knowing the trend, like you've know the trend that this the market for gold for this week is going to trend up, then the strategy will now tell you when to buy. You know the market is up. The market is up. I hope I didn't close. I don't know why I keep on closing the 75. So now let me show you an example of what I mean. So after SB move will tell you the market has changed to uptrend here. Then it will now start telling you that there is a buy signal here. It will tell you that there is a buy signal here. Without stress, just follow the rule of the SB move strategy. It will tell you there is a buy signal here. All you just need to do is not a here, it's an indicator strategy. If you tell you a buy signal here, all you just need to do is to go to your chart, know your lot size, know your capital, place a buy. It will tell you set your stop loss here or set it here. All you just need to do is go there and set it up. Which are the rules? I was the one I designed the strategy. I also created rules that guide it. In every company, you need to have a policy, you need to have a rule, you need to have a terms and condition that guide the company. Same thing as SB Move strategy is a strategy, is like a company that has policy, that has rules. So those rules are what guide the SB Move strategy. So after the strategy telling you there is a change of trend, it then come and tell you there is a buy. So after you placing a buy, it now tell you that set your stop loss here to be on the safer side because you need to protect your money, which is the capital. Now, one other rule I tell my students is the money in your trading account is not your money. My money in that trading account is not my money. The money I withdraw after trading, the profit I withdraw is my own money. So when you are trading, you deposit maybe $10,000, you put it inside your trading account. That money is not your money because you can lose it in few seconds. In 1 minute, you can lose it all. Someone that knows more than you just made money from you. But the money you withdraw is yours. Are you getting my point now? So when you place a buy here, the strategy SB Mamove will tell you set your stop loss here in order to reduce your risk. Then it will tell you set your take profit here, which is somewhere here. The high, the previous high. So let's assume you place a buy here, then you then hold your trade from here to here, which is about 2026 points. So with one lot size, you should be able to make 2,664 from just one trade. $2,664. With 0.1, that's $26. With 10 lot size, that's $26,000. So your lot size, your capital will determine your success. So it will tell you to set your stop loss here. With that same one lot size, you are risking 2,631 to make 2,665. With 0.1 lot size, you are risking $263 to make $266. You understand? So all those things SB Mamove will tell you, place your buy here, set your stop, take profit here. You can see the market. The market eats the take profit, but it did not eat stop loss. It eats that take profit here. You are done. Let's assume you use one lot size. That's $2,600. So when you see people posting $2,600, they just made it maybe in one day because they know what they are doing. I think I get my point now. That's one opportunity to buy. SB Mamove strategy will tell you this is another opportunity to buy here. SB Mamove will tell you buy here. Set your stop loss here. Then you can decide to ride it if you want to. It also tells you the entry point around there, which is like the reversal trade somewhere here. So there is another one here. The SB Mamove will tell you to buy here. Set your stop loss at the last low, which is the V shape. Those are the rules I'm explaining to you now. One of the rules, the V shape. You want to set your stop loss around this V shape, V side, with the last low here. Then you set your take profits. You set it somewhere here. And you can see it hit your stop loss. It did not hit your take profit. It hit your take profit. It did not hit your stop loss. So assuming you set your take profit there, you would have made with one lot size, you would have made 2,697 within 2 days, within 14th of January to 16th of January. Just 2 days, you have made 2,006. And this 2,006 is easier to make. All you just need to do is to get a funded account. With $110, you can get a funded account of $3,000. And with your $3,000, you can be using 0.1 and make maybe 266 from this trade. With a $900 account, with a $900 capital, you can get a funded account of $10,000. And with that $10,000, you can use one lot size and make this money. So you've made your capital back in just one trade. The funded platforms I trade with, there is one of FTMO, there is other one funded nest, and there is one special one which I don't share. I only share it with my students. The reason is when all these funded platforms, when they go viral, they end up having too much demand, and that makes those platforms to later lose a lot of money and they go away with people money. So that's why I only share it with my students, so it won't go viral. I just got information about that platform, the funded platform. That was 9 months ago, and I've been using it. A lot of my students have made a lot of money from it. So with $110, they give you a funded account of $3,000, and with that, you can make how much from this? $269. Your capital, you made times two of your capital in just one trade, just by following SB Mamove strategy. Are you getting my point now? So let's continue. There's another opportunity to buy here. SB Mamove strategy will tell you buy. Then you buy. You set your stop loss either somewhere here around the V shape or this one, the V shape. You set your stop loss here. So you are risking with one lot size, you are risking 2,600 to make 2,007. You can even hold it until SB Mamove tell you to close your trade somewhere here, and you make it's even 4,000. It's 4,000. Yes, almost 4,000. 4,000. You make $4,000, and you are risking how much? You are risking 2,003. You make 4,000, right? So this particular trade I used one lot size. For this particular trade today, I used one lot size. I think I took the trade somewhere here, and I closed the trade somewhere. I closed the first trade somewhere here. I closed it at 1,005. The second trade, I'm still holding it, but anytime from now, because this market is ranging, it seems there are a lot of sellers that are about to enter the market now. A lot of buyers are going to start selling. So even me, I'm going to go and close my trade, meaning I was a buyer. Now I'm now a seller. So as soon as I sell, I've removed money. I've removed maybe one. I've closed 1,005 before. I'm going to close maybe 1,006 from this. It got to like almost 2,000. It got to almost 1,009 somewhere here. But at this point now, it should be around 1,007. So if I close the 1,007, automatically from the $6 trillion that is being traded every day, I've removed 1,007, which is like a drop of water. But don't forget that 1,007 is some people deposit. It's those people that are greedy. The money they lose is what I get. Same thing if I lose, the money I lose is what someone in China or in Togo or in Cotonou or in Dubai made. So your knowledge is the value that gives you the money. I get my point now. So if I close that trade now, the SBB almost told me to buy here, and I bought, I was able to close half of that one lot size and made 1,500. Yes, 1,500. So if I close the second one, 1,007, calculate that. That's about 3,000 plus. Let's assume you didn't even use one lot size because I'm trading with bigger capital in what's it called, 5 digits. I'm trading with bigger capital. So let's assume you are just trading with $3,000 and you use 0.1. You should be making, if you just hold the trade till this level, you should be making $309 for one trade. Just today is Monday. Today is just Monday, and we have Tuesday, we have Wednesday, we have Thursday, we have Friday. Between those other days, you can take one of, like in a week, I take like one or two or three maximum trades, and I'm done. For example, this 3,000 that I'm going to make today, in 2 days' time, I can take another trade and make 1,005. Another day, I can make maybe $700. And for the week, I'm done with like maybe 4,000, 5,000. I'm good for the week, I'm done. Don't be greedy. You are done. So let's assume you are using 0.1 and you are able to make 300 from this. In 2 days' time, you make maybe another 200, that's 500. In maybe on Friday, you are able to make maybe 500, that's about 1,000. Or you even make 200, that's about 700 total. You are done, go and sleep. Remove like 300, take your wife, take your kids to playground to go and play PS, or you buy PS for them, you buy your wife a new iPhone, you had it, you live a good life. You understand what I'm saying now? So let's cut it from here. We are going to finish the class now. So that is SB Mamove. It tells you when to buy. It tells you when to sell. It tells you where to set your stop loss, where to put your take profits. All you just need to do is to follow the rules, which is the policies, which is the terms and condition of the strategy. When you follow it, you make your money, right? So all you need to know is it's a trend trading and detection strategy that tells you the trend of the market and help you predict the future of the market like a pro. So you don't even need to be IOP before you can trade, because that's the strategy I trade with. And I've created the rules. What I do is what I explain in this strategy, right? And at the end, I'm going to give you some bonuses whereby you have direct access to me to call me. You have a direct access to learn from me. Every 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I do training for my students. Like this kind of training, I trade, we picture, we analyze what will happen next. So you'll be able to understand what will happen next in my premium class, so you can do it the next, like what happened this week, what is going to happen this week. I've already explained to some of my students, and they are going to make crazy money before Friday. It helps you analyze the market and tells you when to buy and when to sell and when to take profits in the market, which I explained before. You can use it on MT5, MT4, any market, you know. And there are a lot of information also, which is the powerful SB Mamove signal strategy. Then the beginner, which you already have access to, the one I shared in the group, the beginner course. The beginner course will give you access to the basic. It's very important. I said it's like a foundation. When your foundation is not strong, when the foundation of the house is not strong, the whole building is nonsense. Even the interior, the exterior, the roof, everything is nonsense, because if there is a flood or there is a powerful wind, the house is gone. So your foundation needs to be strong, which is the complete forex trading beginner course. Please go and watch it. Then I have the mastery. I'm going to give you access to all these things for free, right? Then access to the psychology. There is what they call the psychology, the mind game. You should be able to understand. There is what they call FOMO, fear of missing out. Don't rush. The market is there for life. As long as people buy and sell in the market every blessed day, you don't have to rush. If you don't see a trade, go back and sleep. Like today, I took the trade in the middle of the night. I went to sleep. When I woke up, I saw it in profit. I take my profit. I already set stop loss in case the market go against me, but SB Mamu is fire. And I made money. I closed half of my trade. I moved the stop loss into break even to let the rest, what's it called, run. And this evening, I'm going to close the second trade. After that, I'm done. I will eat. My wife will cook for me. I go to bed and sleep. Same thing is what you do. You need to learn the psychology of the forex market. You don't have to rush. Money is nothing. Is your value is what will give you that money. So when you are in the market, you just analyze. Oh, there is a good setup. You take the trade. You set your stop loss. You set your TP. You go and sleep, or you go and do any other thing. You want to go to the gym, you want to go and check that nice car, or you want to talk to some property guru. Maybe you want to buy a land, you want to do any business, you focus on other things. After 2, 3, 4 hours, you come back, you check your phone. Oh, it's still loading in profit. Oh, let me take this small profit, then I will just leave the rest alone. You take it, you go. That is psychology. There are still more things you need to risk management, the lot size you use. There are lots of things you need to learn in this psychology. These are some of my students that have made money. I also have Faith Zuma, who was able to buy himself. He has been dreaming to buy this tailoring machine, and it made a lot of money. He said, "Sir, this is what God just gave me through forex." She was able to buy herself an ultimate sewing machine, right? I also am going to give you this particular one. I'm going to share it with you guys next week, Monday. The 3 SME strategy. This is the strategy I used to make 11,800 in 2018. Yeah, after I thought of that time, I thought of committing suicide. I came up with a strategy, which is the 3 SME, and I was able to make close to 11,800 with this strategy then. I'm going to share it next week, Monday. So make sure you join the class. I will share this particular strategy. It's one of my whole strategy that I used to make money, right? These are some of my students. These two students, they were able to buy an uncompleted building. They refurbish it, they repackage it, and now they are is now their dream home. They're living good. This one bought boss. I just bought this for 2.5 million naira in naira. In dollar, it should be around maybe 1,000 something now. Part of money I have made this year from the forex market using SB Mamove strategy. You know, a lot of them are making a lot of money. Also, there is what they call the powerful SB power of trend line strategy. Is my strategy. Like the trend line I was drawing on that chart, in this particular course, you will learn how to draw a perfect trend line. Trend line is one of the powerful tools as a forex trader. If a forex trader doesn't know how to use a trend line, that forex trader is not a forex trader. So this particular course will explain everything about trend line, how to draw a perfect trend line. the best point to place your trend line, and when to look out for the breakout of that trend line, where to buy, where to set your stop loss using trend line. I kill it in this particular course. Then these are some of my students also. This one said, Mr. Paul, my first trade with your SB Mamove strategy was able to make his first trade. He made $142. That's crazy. First trade. We also have this one, the premium. Yes, I have a premium SB Mamove strategy group, which I shared with you in the first when we first started this training. The group is on WhatsApp. It's a premium group. I have two of them, the gold one and the what's it called, the SB Mamove strategy. There, I share trade ideas. I also have Telegram trade histories, all my trade histories since like 3 years ago. In that Telegram group, you will have access to all. So you can go back and check my entries, all the trades I've been taking. I always drop it there. So you have access to it. These are also some of my students that made crazy money, that bought a lot, that bought car. Yeah, this is the SB Move group I told you about. So all these students are there. They learn, they share ideas with each other, they make a lot of money together. All right. I also will give you access to my Telegram community, which I told you about. One of my students was in that community yesterday, and he made, yes, the new student that joined 3 weeks ago. He was also part of the community. He was able to make that money I posted today, which is around, I think around 30 something dollar also from the community because of the knowledge he got. Then a lot, I have a lot, I can't count. There are lots of students that are making crazy money. And also you will have access to learn cryptocurrency from me, because cryptocurrency market space is also a good one. There are coins, different coins that are very low that you can buy and hold for the next 1 2 years, and you can make like times 10 times 20 of your money. So let's assume you put like maybe just $10. Maybe you have like 10 coins, you put $10 in those 10 coins, making it $100. You now leave it for like 2 years or 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, and you make like maybe times 100 of it in the next 2 years. So that's mean your $100 will turn to like $10,000 in the next 2 years. That is what they call swing trading, position trading, long time trading, you investing in coins. So you will also learn more on this. And also derived synthetic is also top notch. You can trade derived synthetic during the weekend. So when the market, because the Forex market open Monday to Friday, you can open a derived synthetic and be weekend. We also trade during the weekend by trading volatility 75, crash and boom and the likes. You also have access to trade metals. You learn how to trade metals, gold, silver and the likes. You can trade all those things. You can even trade Apple stock, Facebook stock. All those things are on MT5. You just need to understand the knowledge on how to trade those things. We also have Nasdaq. You can trade Nasdaq, you can trade stock, you can trade bond with this same strategy. Knowledge is all that matters. So, what are your plans? What are your plans? Is your plan to make money? You know, is money holding you back from the life you deserve? Maybe you've been planning some big things to do this year. You said it last year that, oh, this 2025 is going to be my year. You went to church, you prayed that, God, this year I want to build my own house. Oh God, I want to buy this house. I want to buy this car. My wife, she's not always entering public transport, Uber and the likes. I want to buy this for her. So maybe that is what you've been praying for. Maybe that is what you've been dreaming to do this year. This is an opportunity for you to take action and get all those things done. See, procrastination kills. It kills a lot. I could remember 2017. Procrastination kills a lot. It kills a lot of talent. A lot of people, talents have gone down the rain because of procrastination. This 2025 should be your year of change. So maybe you want to take a moment and ask yourself, how much has procrastination stolen from me? The sleepless nights, you going to office, your boss talking to you anyhow because of how much the salary is not even up to £500. It's not even up to $500, which you can make in a week, which you can make in a month. as long as you have that knowledge, which is the value, you know, you are wondering how to pay your bills. Your house rent will soon expire, maybe in March, April. You don't know how to pay it. You are still dreaming. How can I pay? You are begging your friends, those people that don't even love you in the first place. Some even envy you when you do great things. Are those people are they the one you are going to rely on? No. The fight with your partner. Your partner, she's also always fighting with you. Always complaining that you are not doing this. You are not a man. All those things need to change. Money make love sweet. When you have money, your wife will respect you. You know, the tension growing because of financial strain. The stress at work, feeling stuck in job that underpays you, that you don't even love in the first place. You wake up in the morning, like today is Monday, you went to work. When your alarm rang, you were like, oh, I'm going to this work again. Is that what you are going to continue? Do you know your age? All those things need to change. If others can do it, you can do it and even do better than them. And you have that power to do it, but procrastination won't allow you. All those things need to change. If other people can make millions, you too can do it. They don't have two head. I used to tell myself I'm going to be a billionaire in pounds, in dollar. If those people can do it, I will do it. And I know what will fetch me that, what will get me there. There is money in tech. There is money in a lot of things. But you have to start from somewhere. There are a lot of courses I bought recently that when I'm done with those courses, it's like fire. You understand? So it's time for you to change. Your boss keep insulting you, colleague keep talking to you anyhow, someone you are older than, you know. So watching your children need things and you are unable to afford it, maybe something of £10, $10, you are unable to afford it because your salary is not even up to anything. All those things need to change this year, you know. So Rico, you already know how powerful the SB move strategy is and what you'll be getting my complete forex trading beginner to mastery course, the psychology of forex trading. You have access to my 3 SMA strategy, which I'm going to teach next week, Monday also. That one is very easy to understand. The powerful trend line strategy, very powerful. As a forex trader, you need trend line. If you don't know how to do a trend line, there is no way you will understand that particular point. A candlestick break the trend line. You need to understand all those things. Then my premium group, SB Mamove group, my premium Telegram groups, also my community. Access to learn from me directly. All these things are worth 3,200, but don't be scared. I won't charge you that. You know, I will not even charge you 249. I'm going to normally I'm supposed to charge you like $249, but I know a lot of people are going through a lot. A lot of people are going through a lot in Africa, precisely. But for the first 5 people, I only need 5 people because I'm always busy. I have things I'm doing. I have a lot of projects I'm doing, so I'm not always busy. I just want 5 people every month to train. Just 5 people this month. Then next month I also teach another 5 people because I want to help a lot of people. This is also part of my foundation. I want to help people because a lot of people, all this money we are making, we can't take it to anywhere in future when we die. We can't take all these things to heaven. No. So the value, the knowledge, we need to give people also. My kids need to learn all these things and they need to also teach people so they can remove them from poverty. So just 5 people is the people. As soon as we get those 5 people, we are done for this month till next month. We look for another 5 people. So for the first 5 people that will take action today, between today, tomorrow, next tomorrow, which is 3 days, after that, we are done. So we'll focus. I will mentor these 5 people. Also, my personal assistant will help those 5 people to create their trading accounts, get their funded accounts if they want to get a funded account. But if they don't want funded account, they just want to raise maybe $100 to be trading for themselves, like that guy that started with $3. If you are that kind of person, you just want to start with small dollar and be trading and try and grow it to bigger capital like 50, $100. No problem. My PA, my personal assistant, will show you how to create your trading account and the likes. Whereas the main thing, which is the SB Mammo strategy, I will be the one to train you that till you start making money, you know. So for the first 5 people that take action between today, tomorrow, which is 11, then next tomorrow, which is 12, the first 5 people to take action and take this offer of $49, I'm going to be the one to hold them one on one till they start making money. I will not leave them until they start making money. So they have the whole of this month. They have like 20 days now to make crazy money from the forex market. Starting from next month, I'll start posting their results in the group, so you guys will see, we will know that these people are making a lot of money. You know, so just 5 people and we are done. The first 3 fastest action takers will also get access to a lot of things. You know, they will get after this 1 month also, they will still have access to call me on call anytime they are going through any problem, anytime they are going through any issue, they can call me, you know, and they will have one-on-one access to me on WhatsApp also to call me anytime because I'm a busy man. You can see I've used like almost 1 hour here just to, answer you guys. So when I leave here, I still have other things I want to do. I'm still going to learn my training videos that I learn on other things I want to go into in future. So there is no time, but I will give these 5 people access to me. Anytime I see their call, I will save their name. That's where we have the gold members. So anytime I see a call and it shows gold, I always pick their call. They're like my special students. So the first 3 people will be in my gold training group, and many other goodies, webinars, and the likes that I do every week, 2 weeks, every 3 weeks. They will have access to it. They will also have access to learn other sources of income stream I invest in. I don't only trade the forex market. Forex is like the foundation, right? But now I've diversified my money into other businesses. I've invested a lot of money into properties, both in Africa and here in the UK. So I will also introduce them to all these things. Also, if they want to relocate in future, when they start making crazy money, I will link them up with some of my partners. So there are lots of things, there are lots of information to gain. You know, this is just the starting point. The good part is that you will also get to follow me in my real estate, which I also told you about, and the relocation. I've already said all this. All these things are priceless because it's knowledge I got through pains. But all these things, because I got it through pains, that doesn't mean I should keep it to myself. I should hold it to myself. No, it's nothing. God has blessed us with make that money, but we should be able to give it back to the community because a lot of people are out there going through that pain. So in the WhatsApp group, I'm going to post this link. If you are outside Nigeria, you can make your payment through this link. After making your payment, just send me a screenshot of the payment, then I will confirm. But if you are in Nigeria, you can screenshot these account details and make your payment of 78,000 naira, right? Because if you are in Nigeria, 78,000 naira, I'm going to give you another little promo. Instead of paying 78,000 naira, pay 75, yeah, because those are my people. Everyone in Africa, you guys are my people. Okay, don't let us be partial. For people in other countries apart from Africa, just go and pay 47 instead of 48. So it won't be as if I love my people more than others. Everybody is my people. But for people in Nigeria, you can pay 75,000 naira into this account. Make a screenshot of it. After this class, I'm going to also post it in the group. The first 5 people, and we are done. Then, as time goes on, also, please make sure you also join the Telegram group because before the end of this month, I'm going to delete that WhatsApp group. And I'm always active in my UK line. Then also on Telegram, my channel, I'm also active there. So the first 5 people to take action, they are going to get access to all those things I mentioned earlier. Whereas the first 3 people, we have access to my gold platform. The other 2, we have access to my premium. So see you guys, and I believe you've learned a lot. I believe you've learned a lot from this training tonight. I'm happy to meet you guys. You already know my name is Ido Oluwase Paul, popularly known as IOP, and I will be your tutor throughout this journey. of financial freedom. I love you all. See you soon.